Let's take a look at question number 6. How can an analysis of reaction kinetics help you determine if a reaction is SN1 or SN2? Provide a detailed explanation. Okay. Well, what is kinetics? Kinetics is just telling you how fast or how slow a reaction is. And for you to know that, you had to go back to the reaction mechanism. You need to identify the rate determining step. So let's take a look for the SN1 reaction. What is the rate determining step for the SN1? But for this reaction, it just happens to be the first step, the formation of the carbocararium. So let's have a tertiary haloalkane, and is forming a tertiary carbocararium. And what you see here is these steps only depends on the haloalkane. You do not see the participation on this step of the nucleophile. So the rate will depend on just the concentration of the haloalkane, Rx for haloalkane. Why not the nucleophile? Because the nucleophile is not participating on the rate determining step. And let's take a look at the SN2 reaction. For the SN2, as the leaving group is going away, you have the attack, the backside attack of the nucleophile. So both the haloalkane and the nucleophile, they are both participating in the rate determining step, meaning the rate law for the SN2 will depend on both the concentration of the nucleophile and the concentration of the haloalkane. Okay, so knowing that, how can you design an experiment that will tell you if your nucleophilic substitution reaction is SN1 or SN2? Okay. SN1, the rate depends only on the concentration of the haloalkane, and for SN2, the rate depends on the concentration of both the haloalkane and the nucleophile. Okay, so if I increase the concentration of just the haloalkane, that will not be useful because that will be increasing the rate for both SN1 and SN2. It's not going to tell me what type of nucleophilic substitution reaction I have. However, if I increase the concentration of the nucleophile, if I increase the concentration of the nucleophile, and I see that the rate is the same, I did not have any increase on the rate, then that means that the reaction is SN1, because the nucleophile is not part of the rate law. However, if I increase the concentration of the nucleophile and I see that the rate also increases, then this means that the reaction is SN2, because the rate law depends on both the nucleophile and the haloalkane.